Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center, home of the lifetime powertrain warranty. Today's special is the 2017 Chrysler Pacifica Touring L Plus, stock number E2151P. 53,000 miles on this one owner, clean auto check history report, velvet red in color. You do receive Sheboygan Chevy Chrysler's exclusive lifetime powertrain warranty. Power sliding doors on both sides of the van. This Pacifica seats 8. Leather interior. Stow and go seating allows the second and third row to fold flat into the floor. Flip up DVD players. Windows do go down in the sliding doors along with power venting rear quarter windows. Advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, cross path detection, along with backup camera and rear parking sensors, helping to give it a 5-star front and side government crash rating. Power lift gate for convenience. Deep storage wall behind the third row, lots of space for cargo or for those seats to fold back into. Hooks in the back side, perfect for keeping plastic grocery bags secure. Folding those seats is very easy. Can of course fold them in any combination, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. Sliding doors operate off the key fob or a simple pull of the handle. Middle row seats recline. Have hooks in the seats for the latch system. Outboard middle row seats are also heated. This Touring L Plus has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, upgraded 20-speaker Harman Kardon sound system, power seats, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel. Put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices, heated seats as well as heated steering wheel, 3-zone automatic temperature control, driver, passenger, and rear heat and air, navigation, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming, and there's of course where the backup camera display is. 9-speed automatic transmission with rotary dial shifter, hard keys for the things you use most often, USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those media devices, rear DVD player controls, lots of storage space in the center console, and a large glove box with all the owner's materials included. Overhead, auto-dimming mirror, liftgate and sliding door controls, along with home link transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, this Pacifica has a 3.6-liter V6, 287 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the van. Excellent fuel economy. EPA average of 19 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 28 on the highway. All that with new brakes and new tires. For more information on this Pacifica, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.